Hi everyone. In today's video, I've come up with a full-time remote job opportunity with a software company, and the company's name is GitLab. Here, the profile name is Accounts Receivable Associate, APAC or Asia Pacific region. So here, you're not required to have a lot of software experience. You're mainly required to have some software or SaaS experience, along with some experience in accounts receivable. So GitLab is a software company, and here it is written GitLab is an open core software company that develops the most comprehensive AI powered DevOps platform used by more than 1 lakh organizations. And the company's mission is to enable everyone to contribute to and co create the software that powers our world. When everyone can contribute, consumers become contributors, significantly accelerating the rate of human progress. This mission is integral to our culture and influencing how we hire, build products, and lead our industry. We make this possible at GitLab by running our operations on our product and staying aligned with our values. Now let's check out about the role. So here it is written that join our team as an account receivable analyst and play a pivotal role in ensuring the financial health of our organization. Your expertise will be instrumental in achieving key performance indicators, including maintaining a 75% current AR aging, a sub 65-day average days sales outstanding, and an AR of 91 days past due, that is below 3% of total AR. In your daily tasks, you will adeptly manage Zendesk tickets within your portfolio, diligently collect on your assigned accounts, and leverage Tesorio for task management and dunning notices. On a weekly basis, you will oversee customer cash on account, review accounts on support hold, conduct portal customer reviews, and manage autopay account evaluations. As month end approaches, you will take charge of credit balance application review and maintenance. Additionally, you will engage in quarterly bad debt review and analysis. If you are a meticulous and result driven professional with a passion for accounts receivable management, this role offers an exciting opportunity to contribute directly to our financial success. So here the company is offering account receivable analyst role, and this is a totally remote opportunity that you can do from home. And here are the skills and expertise that the company is looking for in their candidates. So here it has written that here the company is looking for some experience in accounts receivable and SaaS or software. And then the candidate should have ability to work and achieve deadlines independently. The person should have solid understanding of account receivables and financial concepts. The company is looking for someone with excellent verbal and written communication skills and ability to collaborate with cross-functional teams. And the person should be able to adapt to business technology and leverage available resources. The person should have knowledge in Zora billing, Salesforce CRM, and Google Suite. The person should be able to work in a fast-paced environment while meeting deadlines and objectives. The person should be able to use GitLab and must be able to work in the US time zones, mainly Pacific time zone, with the overlap of at least 4 hours, because the company is in the US while the operations is mainly for APAC regions. So you have to take care of the timings. The company's accounts receivable team is a centralized team. Now here are some of the benefits that the company has listed for their accounts receivable analysts. So as an account receivable analyst, you can expect getting benefits to support your health, finances, and well-being. And this is all remote opportunity, asynchronous work environment, and you will be getting flexible paid time off, and team member resource groups, equity compensation and employee stock purchase plan, growth and development budget, then parental leave and home office support. Although the company has not provided any information related to the salary for or compensation for the accounts receivable associate role, I found that for APAC region and Australia and New Zealand, the salary range is around $75,000 to $84,000 per annum. Whereas for India, the salary range is around 3 lakh to 5 lakh rupees per annum. On average, around 4 lakh 65,000 per year. along with some additional cash compensation of around 76,000 rupees for the year. Now let's check out about the roles and responsibilities that you can expect working as an account receivable analyst. As an account receivable analyst, you need to support posting of cash receipts and report preparation. You need to support weekly reconciliations of professional services billing. You need to prepare weekly PO or portal reconciliation reporting and submission of billing in third-party billing portals. You need to maintain weekly reconciliations of for alliance partner disbursement files. You need to support AM or PM Zendesk ticket triage for accounts receivable team. You need to support all W9 and remittance requests in Zendesk. You need to assist AR team with low moderate collection issues and escalations. You need to perform additional duties as assigned. So here are the roles and responsibilities basically related to accounts receivable role. So if you already have some experience and you would be able to understand everything well. And now here it is written that the company GitLab hires new team members in countries around the world. All of our roles are remote. However, some roles may carry specific location-based eligibility requirements. Our talent acquisition team can help answer any questions about location after starting the recruiting process. So here, no matter from where you belong, if you are from any of the APAC region, you can apply for the job. Now here's the application form, and you need to provide your name, email IDs, and then phone number. So this is a simple form. You need to attach your resume, cover letter, and then LinkedIn profile URL. And so here you need to provide in which country you are located, okay, and then you have to answer some of the simple questions related to like do you require any sponsorship to live or remain in your current location, and are you subject to any employment agreements or post-employment restrictions with your current employer or a past employer. And okay, these are some of the simple questions that the company has asked in the application form. Here it is also written that this role requires you to work 8 hours between the time frame of 6 a.m. to 6 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. Are you able to accommodate that? So here you are required to work within Pacific time zone, and you need to work for around 8 hours between 6 a.m. to 6 p.m. Pacific time. And then okay, and then so you need to provide if you have any accounts receivable or subscription based billing experience. Also they have asked are you located in India or Philippines, so you can answer that as well. Okay, so that's it. This is a simple application form that you can fill up and submit. So yeah, and I think this is a great opportunity. Go ahead, check out all the details before you apply for the job. And if you think that you could be a good fit for this position, you can apply for this job. Thank you for listening.